Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how to protect yourself from cyber threats? Today, I'm going to share 5 essential cybersecurity tips that every beginner needs to know to stay safe online. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, use strong, unique passwords. Your password is your first line of defense. Make sure it's long, complex, and unique for each of your accounts. Think of it like a key to your home. You wouldn't use the same key for every lock, right? Consider using a password manager to keep track of all your passwords securely. Tip number 2, enable two-factor authentication. Adding an extra layer of security can make a huge difference. Two-factor authentication requires not just your password, but also a second factor, like a code sent to your phone. This makes it much harder for hackers to access your accounts, even if they somehow get your password. Tip number 3, be wary of phishing scams. Phishing is when attackers try to trick you into giving away your personal information. Be cautious of unsolicited emails, messages, or links that ask for your details. Always verify the sender's authenticity before clicking on any links or downloading attachments. Tip number 4, keep your software updated. Whether it's your operating system, apps, or antivirus software, always keep everything updated to the latest version. Updates often include security patches that protect you from newly discovered vulnerabilities. Think of updates as regular maintenance for your car. You wouldn't skip them, would you? Tip number 5, use secure networks. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like online banking or shopping. Public networks are often less secure and can be a playground for hackers. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your internet connection. And there you have it. 5 essential tips to keep you safe online. Remember, staying vigilant and proactive is key to protecting your personal information. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Stay safe and see you next time.